Hello, crypto enthusiasts and fans of the Bingx cryptocurrency exchange. Get ready to learn everything you need to know about depositing funds on this exciting platform. In this comprehensive video, we'll guide you through the deposit process step by step, ensuring you can easily add funds to your account and start trading like a pro. Before we dive in, let me share a secret with you. By using the referral code 911 during registration on Bingx, you'll unlock exclusive benefits and bonuses that will supercharge your trading experience. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this golden opportunity. Now, let's get started with the deposit process on Bingx. Step 1. Log into your Bingx account. If you haven't already, head over to the Bingx website or mobile app and log into your account. If you're a new user, you'll need to complete the registration process first, which is straightforward and user-friendly. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once you're logged in, locate the deposit or funds section, which is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. This is where the magic happens, and you'll initiate the deposit process. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Bingx supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, Tetherust, and many more. Browse through the list and select the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. Bingx offers multiple deposit methods to cater to different user preferences. You can choose to deposit via cryptocurrency wallets, bank transfers, or even credit. Debit cards were available. Each method may have slightly different steps, but Bingx's user-friendly interface will guide you through the process. Step 5. Enter the deposit amount. Once you've selected your deposit method, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. Keep in mind that Bingx may have minimum and maximum deposit limits, so ensure your desired amount falls within the acceptable range. Step 6. Confirm the deposit details. Before finalizing the deposit, carefully review all the details, including the cryptocurrency, deposit amount, and the recipient address provided by Bingx. Double-checking these details is crucial to ensure your funds are sent to the correct address and avoid any potential losses. Step 7. Initiate the deposit. After confirming the details, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. This may involve sending the cryptocurrency from your external wallet or completing the payment process if you're using a bank transfer or credit debit card. Step 8. Wait for the deposit to be processed. Depending on the deposit method and network congestion, it may take some time for your deposit to be processed and reflected in your Bingx account. Bingx typically displays the estimated processing time so you can track the progress. And that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Bingx account, ready to explore the world of cryptocurrency trading and investment opportunities. Remember, Bingx prioritizes security and offers advanced features like cold storage for your assets, ensuring your funds are kept safe and secure. Additionally, the platform provides various trading tools, educational resources, and a user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced traders alike. If you have any further questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Bingx's dedicated customer support team, available 24/7 to help you with any inquiries or concerns. Don't forget to use the referral code 911 during registration to unlock exclusive benefits and bonuses that will elevate your Bingx experience to new heights. Happy trading, and may the crypto markets be ever in your favor.